Hey guys, what's poppin'? Today we're gonna be reviewing Pop Secret Movie Theater Butter Popcorn. Some information about this product. You'll see proudly displayed on the front of the box. It says no artificial preservatives, flavors, or dyes. And then along the side, they also tell me 0 grams trans fat, no high fructose corn syrup, no sugar added. It's almost like, guys, you're telling me all the stuff that's not in there and nothing about what is. And that's a dangerous game to be playing when you only have a precious amount of space on the box. It's like eventually you're gonna run out of room and you can't possibly tell me everything that's not in there. Like, I don't see anything on here saying no poison, no broken pieces of glass, rusty nails, or other debris. So maybe just stick to what is in there and spare me the long list of what isn't. But it's not a complaint, it's just something for Pop Secret to think about. Anyway, let's give it a try. I got this LG whatever model of microwave and I have it down to a science. I put the popcorn in for 2 minutes in 5 seconds, not a second more or a second less. Now you might have to play around with your own microwaves to find the perfect time for you, but this next part is key, no matter what microwave you have. As soon as the popcorn is done popping, you take it out and you open it up right away because you don't want all that hot air trapped inside, because then the popcorn is gonna get overcooked, it's gonna taste burnt, and no one wants to ruin their popcorn like that. All right, let's pop it in. Come join me on the sofa to eat the popcorn in its appropriate place. Some people like to pour their popcorn into bowls before they eat it. Not me. I just like to dive right in, and I don't mind holding the hot bag with the butter dripping down the sides. Just gotta be careful. Let's give it a taste. Right away. First thing I notice is that movie theater butter taste. And you can tell this isn't some butter that you can buy at the supermarket. This is the real movie theater butter. You know, at the concession stands at the theater off to the side, you have those dispensers and you press the button and drizzle the liquidy butter over your popcorn, and you try to mix it around, but it's really hard to do. And you just end up with super buttery popcorn at the top, and then the popcorn in the middle and the bottom of your bowl is just sort of plain and salty. But this here is a very well-balanced popcorn. You can taste the salt. It's not too salty though. The salt perfectly complements that movie theater butter flavor. And there's really nothing else I need to say about this. This is something I usually eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That probably tells you all you need to know about how I feel about this popcorn. So go out and try one today. Or not, I don't care. I'm gonna keep eating it.